Welcome to the channel, guys. We are talking all parts S&B tonight, and one of the really cool products that they came to market with, this is just kind of a little cheap no-brainer for you guys. 11 to 19 Powerstrokes. Map sensors are really bad about getting sooted up, causes a myriad of issues, and that is caused because the factory map sensor protrudes too deep into the intake and it gets impacted with soot. And so what S&B does is they relocate the sensor, and so it's still getting air movement past it so it can do its job, but it's not getting impacted with soot. So this is a must-have upgrade for the 11-19 Super Duties, and then you're also going to want this for the L5P Duramaxes. The 2025 Duramaxes require 2 of them, so this is a little bit older display that S&B sent to me, so I don't have that part number on here, but we do have that part number on the website. So make sure if you got a 2025 L5P, you need 2. They are different part numbers, not the same part number, so don't order 2 of the same part number. That'll screw you up. But for you Powerstroke guys, it's only 1 part number and there's only 1. So great little product, fixes a super simple problem, 69 bucks. You can't afford not to do it. So jump on the site, reviewdiesel.com, get yours ordered today. If you got any questions about this, or if you got a different truck that we haven't talked about, you probably don't need one, and that's why we didn't talk about it. But if you got questions, throw them in the comments below. We'll be happy to get those answered for you. And like, subscribe, hit the bell. We want to make sure you get notifications as these parts come forth and let you know about them as soon as we can. See you at the next video.